Hello and welcome to my channel. If you love sweet and tangy desserts, then you're going to love this lemon cake. Let's get started with the recipe. To ensure a smooth and creamy texture, we need to soften the butter by leaving it at room temperature for about an hour. This will allow it to be more easily mixed with the other ingredients. In a mixing bowl, cream the softened butter until it has a smooth, uniform consistency. You can do this manually using a whisk, or you could use an electric mixer. It is definitely easier. In the same bowl, add the sugar and a pinch of salt. Mix all of those ingredients until the batter becomes uniform. Add the eggs to the bowl and mix them well until all the eggs are properly incorporated. Grate the zest from 2 lemons and stir it into the mixture. Lemon zest adds a touch of extra flavor to your cake. In a separate bowl, combine flour and baking powder. If you prefer, you can just use self-raising flour instead. Add them to the butter mixture and mix until just combined. Rather than greasing my cake pan, I prefer to line it with baking paper. I wrap a piece of baking paper around my pan and cut the paper around the pan in order to get it to be the perfect size. Then, I fold each edge and make cuts where there would be extra baking paper. Like this, you will have a perfect fit. Pour the dough into the prepared cake pan. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius in the lower half of your preheated oven for approximately 1 hour. The lower half of the oven ensures that the cake cooks evenly without burning the top. While the cake is baking, you can start preparing the lemon juice. Squeeze the juice from the lemons into a bowl. We will need 150 milliliters of lemon juice, which corresponds to about 5 lemons. Stir in powdered sugar until completely incorporated. This adds an extra tangy kick to your cake and takes it to the next level. It's the secret that makes this cake the best lemon cake I've ever had. Next, put the liquid to receive in order to catch any seeds and lemon pulp that might be swimming in the juice. Those need to be removed, or they would prevent the juice from being fully absorbed by the cake. When the cake is finished baking, remove it from the oven and allow it to cool slightly. Slowly pour the juice over the cake, allowing it to be absorbed before adding more. Patience is key for this step, but the payoff is worth it. Your cake will be bursting with flavor and have a moist, juicy texture. And there you have it, a delicious and easy lemon cake recipe that's perfect for any occasion. Let me know which other recipes you'd like to see, and thanks for watching.